Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fistner. How you doing, guys? So, today we've got a Beats Audio. I think it's number 2, the second edition. So, wireless solo. Okay, they become dead. Customer have tried to open it and couldn't fix it themselves, so brought it to us. You see it's partially open here, and it's because the battery is dead. So that was the major issue. Customer was concerned about one wire, but that's okay. Leave that one, that's okay. If something is unsoldered, you solder it, and that's no big deal. So that's okay. But the biggest issue was this. So no power in Beats Audio might only means your battery is dead, and you might order a new one. We've got those polymer or whatever they are called batteries here for other devices, and this is 3.7 volt and 500 milliampere hours. So it's quite similar to this one, because this one is original one is Alpha Echo Charlie 353535, something like that. 353535A. Okay, alpha is at the very end, and it's 350 milliamperes and 3.7 volts. So these are quite similar. This has one additional wire, which our didn't have, but Beats decided to run anyway on this. So as we had a test, we had to only solder, my friend had to only solder this small wire here. I've asked him to remove from this dead battery, which has 0 volts now. And use this original connector rather than just temporarily attach and have all hassle. I said just do it this way. This way we were able to verify that it's can power on and it can connect and it can play the music. Yes, so I thought I will share that with you. Again, a short video, and again, it's if possible, let's fix them all. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you to those who left a like button on this video or any other. Bye bye.